guys, this is the advanced 3-in-1 ceramic coating shine armor. This is a waterless wash. It says it shines and protects. Shine and protect in seconds. So there's no buffing, just spray and wipe away. So what I'm going to do today is try this on my rim here to see how it works. I'm going to show you actually what happens when you actually try this. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning here. You can hear the birds chirping. It's about 75 degrees. I'm in South Florida. And this is shine armor. So you get a 1 bottle shine armor in the box. It's 8 fluid ounces, 236 milliliters, and also 2 premium microfiber applicator cloths. So let's check it out here. Check out the box here. It says shine and protect in seconds. It works by simply shining. You spray on your car on the rim and wipe away. There's no buffing, and it's an advanced ceramic formula. Okay, so it's supposed to give a beautiful showroom shine. Clean, shine, and protect with a ceramic coating. Good for cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. So let's check it out. This is the back of the box here. Pick it up at my local store. And some before and after pictures. So let's see the before and after picture on my rim here and see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. Once you open it, you see what it comes with. I'll actually show you what comes with here. We have the microfiber cloths here, okay? All the actual product. And basically that's it. There's a card in here also. And it's another little card with a quick directions here. You know, it tells you how to take care of the microfiber cloth and also how to use it. Spray shine armor onto the microfiber cloth and onto the surface you are cleaning. Gently, evenly rub shine armor onto the surface with the wetted cloth, and then quickly switch to the second folded microfiber cloth and gently wipe away any haze before it dries. Repeat this process until the entire vehicle is clean, streak-free, and ultra glossy. Sounds good? Then they have a phone number there if you need to call for some questions or so, or comments, and an email. So, and a website. So, let's try it out. This is shine armor. I'm spraying it onto the rim. I'm gonna shine on just the top part here. In between, make sure you cover everything. Looks like that's covered. Okay, and then onto the microfiber cloth. And the bottle has a little safety mechanism here. You push this and it actually stops you from spraying. So if you have it in your car, it doesn't open up and spray. So you push that to the right, actually here, and there you have it. Spray it onto the microfiber cloth, and we're gonna wipe. You can see it's clean actually. It's a little different. It's wet, of course. So what I want to know is when it dries, how it looks. So see a little bit more between there because you see how clean this is going. Look at that. It looks really clean there. It's actually working pretty well. I'm impressed. You know. Leaves a good shine overall. on the rims. You see that it's definitely cleaner than it was before. So I'll go around to the other side and I'll let you view the rim on the other side that's not clean. You can see the difference here. So, like I said, I'm always searching for something to clean my rims, make them look better, and it improves the appearance of the car overall. There you go. Right, so cleaning the rim. So you see a difference here. No. Okay, here's another wheel before the ceramic coat. Okay, so I've cleaned the rim with the Shine Armor Waterless Wash, Shine, and Protect. And here's a dirty rag, actually a dirty microfiber cloth. You can see the dirt on it that I got off the rim. So you can actually see the rim. So looks like it actually cleans. And let's walk around to the other side. And you can see the difference there. Obviously there's a big difference when it's clean and it's not clean. Now this is the right passenger wheel rim. I'll start spraying on this and clean it. Stay tuned. And there you have it, before and after. Leave any questions or comments, and check the description for the link to order yours today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.